Welcome to the Sam4s YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Sam4s model and collecting the right parts. This prevents wasted troubleshooting time. Once you have backups of the register configuration and sales data on USB, disconnect mains and remove the internal battery to avoid shorts. Next, make sure to inspect, and if needed, replace blown fuses and reseat the display and keyboard ribbon cables. This fixes most dead screen or unresponsive key problems fast and safely. You now run the register's self-test and document any error codes or beep sequences. These point you to the failing subsystem. Once identified, replace components in logical order. Power board first for no power issues, then CPU module for firmware or boot faults, and finally the receipt printer head or motor for printing faults. While replacing, make sure connectors are clean and pins straight, because poor connections mimic component failure and create intermittent faults. Once parts are reinstalled, you restore power, reinstate the internal battery, and load the correct firmware version to prevent incompatibilities. Then calibrate the touchscreen and keyboard, check printer alignment, and run several simulated transactions to validate totals, receipts, and peripheral ports. If problems persist after these final steps, perform a factory reset only after confirming you have a complete backup. This often clears corrupt settings, and if it fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.